Zinno Bank Money Market Account Review 2025. Is it worth it? You won't believe how much your money could grow with a smart money market account in 2025. Zinno Bank's money market account promises competitive interest rates, easy access, and FDIC insurance, but is it really worth opening? The surprising truth is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking high-yield accounts lock up their funds. Zinno Bank allows convenient access to your money through checks, debit cards and online transfers while still offering higher interest rates than typical savings accounts. This makes it ideal for both emergency funds and short-term savings goals. Another advantage is security. You won't believe what happens next when you realize your funds are FDIC insured up to zero, giving peace of mind that your money is protected. Plus, Zinno Bank provides transparent terms with no hidden fees, and mobile and online banking make managing your account simple. However, there are a few cons. Some money market accounts may require a higher minimum balance to earn the top interest rate, and exceeding transaction limits can incur fees. Additionally, while rates are competitive, they are variable and may fluctuate with market conditions. In conclusion, Zinno Bank Money Market Account in 2025 is ideal for savers looking for a combination of higher yields, easy access, and secure banking. It balances convenience and earnings potential, making it a solid option for anyone wanting their money to work harder without sacrificing liquidity. If you can maintain the minimum balance and monitor your transactions, this account is definitely worth considering for building your savings efficiently.